Welcome students, this is Bilal Adil for the subject of English Intermediates Part 2 second year. In our previous lectures we were studying the essay Dying Sun. We had discussed in detail what did Sir James Jeans say about the universe and what did he claim about he said about the probability of the creation of planet Earth and life on it. Then we had discussed the vocabulary, important words and phrases of the essay. Now today we are going to discuss some of the structures, sentence structures and some of the useful phrases used in this essay. The first one I have picked for you is could be packed inside each stars. Helping verb, packed is V3, means third form of verb. What can be packed or what could be packed? Hundreds and thousands of Earth could be packed inside each star. This is the structure used in your essay. How can we manipulate it? For example, I have this marker. I have this box of markers. 12 markers can be packed inside this box. This could is the past form of can. We also use can be. 12 markers can be packed inside this box. This is how we are manipulating this structure to make more sentences of this kind. 12 markers can be packed inside this box. 13 chairs can be kept or placed inside this room. A lot of stuff can be stored inside this big storeroom. 20 liters of water can be kept in this cooler. So you can use this structure with helping verb can or could for the past form, can for the present form, plus be and plus third form of verb. It is not only that you would use the verb packed. You can use other forms of verb, other verbs with their third form. For example, 2 shirts can be purchased with this amount. 2 shirts can be purchased with this amount. 2 questions of this type can be solved in 1 hour. So this is all about this structure. Do practice it at your home. Going to the next structure. Another structure that has been used in your essay is at last forming a mountain so high that you can hardly imagine. Can hardly imagine is the phrase that we have picked. Before that, use of so plus high is an adjective. He has used so with an adjective and then the use of that you can hardly imagine. The scene out there is so beautiful that you can hardly imagine. Kagan Valley is so beautiful that you can hardly imagine. This piece of land or this house is so expensive that you can hardly imagine. कि आप इसका तस्वर भी नहीं कर सकते. Universe is so vast that you can hardly imagine. So you use this phrase with so and an adjective, a quality of thing, and then with that phrase you can use you can hardly imagine. Next structure for us, it seems most likely that. There is a structure used in this essay. It seems most likely that. For example, life does not seem to have, in the same manner, it seems most likely that, expected. It seems most likely that Ali is not coming today. It seems most likely that Ali is not coming today. Seems means looks, lag raha hai. Most likely means expected. It is the expectation that, and after that you can tell your statement. It seems most likely that you have not prepared your test well. अगर आपने टेस्ट ठीक तरह से तैयार नहीं किया है, टीचर देख रहा है कि ठीक तैयारी नहीं है, it seems most likely that you have not prepared your test. It seems most likely that you have not played any games throughout your life. It seems most likely that you have not taken part in any sports in your life. It seems most likely that you have wasted your holidays. So this is how you manipulate this structure. It is again a useful structure. Next structure is we find the universe frightening. Universe is a noun and it is frightening. Adjective. So, I find such novels interesting. I find such novels interesting. This is how we can manipulate this. For example, it is adventurous novels, and I find adventurous novels interesting. I find science fictions thrilling. I find pop music thrilling. I find such words very encouraging. किसी ने आपके काम की तारीफ की है, somebody has praised you, and you can say, I find such words by you very encouraging. I find these words or these speeches motivating. आपने motivational speeches कोई देखी हैं, तो I find such speeches very motivating. And I find such attitude discouraging. Somebody has given you a cold shoulder. उन्होंने आपको के काम में कोई तनकीद की है, तो you can say, I find such attitudes discouraging, and I find such attitude encouraging as well. आप ये भी कह सकते हैं जी. So this is the fourth structure. Then there is one sentence Next structure is life does not seem to have any part in the plan of the universe. Do not seem or does not seem to have. This is the phrase that we are going to pick. He says life does not seem to have any part in the plan of the universe. You can manipulate this sentence. You do not seem to have completed your task. The student has come in front of you and he looks nervous. He is a bit worried and you say you do not seem to have completed your task. लगता है कि आपने अपना काम मुकम्मल नहीं किया. You do not seem to have enjoyed this movie. You do not seem to have utilized your holidays in a good manner. You do not seem to have eaten at least for one day. आपको भूख लगी है, लगता है कि आपने एक दिन से नहीं खाया. He does not seem to have taken bath for a week. You do not seem to have gone out for outing for a long time. काफी अरसे से आप हो सकता है बाहर ना. This room does not seem to have been cleaned. लगता नहीं है कि इस कमरे को साफ किया गया हो. Seem to have यानी it looks, ऐसा लगता है, ऐसा दिखाई देता है, ऐसा महसूस होता है कि ये काम नहीं किया गया. This room does not seem to have been cleaned. So, you do not seem to have prepared well for your interview. आप इंटरव्यू पे गए हैं, आपका इंटरव्यूअर आपसे कहता है कि लगता है आपने तैयारी नहीं की. You do not seem to have prepared well. You do not seem to have inquired all about the matter. आपने इस मामले के बारे में मुकम्मल इंक्वायरी, मुकम्मल तफ्तीश नहीं की है. You do not seem to have read this book thoroughly. लगता है आपने ये किताब सही तरह से नहीं पढ़ी है. You do not seem to have read the instructions in the form fully. कि फॉर्म में दी हुई instructions आपने लगता है कि पूरी तरह नहीं पढ़ी हैं. So these are the five structures that I have. Five structures are expressions that I have picked up from this essay, Dying Sun. They are important, they are useful, they will help you improve your written structure, writing, and they would also help you improve your fluency in speaking, and they will also bring variety in your expressions. Thank you very much. Next, we will discuss about the short questions based on this lesson.